Hello and welcome to German Lessons with Mr. Ferguson. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Deutschunterricht mit Herrn Ferguson. Diese 12. grammatische Stunde, the 12th grammar lesson, ist Relativsätze mit dem Genitiv, relative clauses with the genitive case, Teil 4, Part 4. In the first 3 parts of this series, we learned about relative clauses using the nominative, accusative and dative cases. So if you haven't watched these videos yet, please start with Part 1 by clicking here. Previously, you've come across how to say the words who, which, or that with the use of relative clauses. But in this lesson, you'll be using the genitive case to say the word whose. It's important to know that this is not the question word whose, as in whose dog is this, but a connective, such as the man whose dog I saw. To ask the question, you'd have to use the word wessen. For example, wessen Hund ist das? Whose dog is this? Notice that the word wessen will never change in terms of gender, so wessen will always mean whose when asking a question. Relative clauses usually use the definite articles, but in the genitive case we have to edit these slightly. The articles that we know for the genitive are des for masculine, der for feminine, des for neuter, and der for plural. But the relative pronouns are dessen, deren, dessen, and deren. To use these, we simply have to be aware of the gender of the person or thing to whom something belongs. For example, das ist der Mann, dessen Tasche ich gefunden habe. This is the man whose bag I found. Notice that we use dessen because Mann is masculine, not deren because of Tasche being feminine. The important thing is who this thing belongs to. Let's look at some other examples. Meine Frau, deren Auto das ist, heißt Kati. My wife, whose car this is called Kati. Ich sehe das Mädchen, dessen Vater mein Lehrer ist. I see the girl whose father is my teacher. Es gibt hier 2 Leute, deren Namen ich nicht kenne. There are 2 people here whose names I don't know. And that's all there is to using relative clauses with the genitive case. It's a good idea to pause the video now to remind yourself of how to use the words dessen, deren, dessen and deren to use the word whose, as well as the fact that the person who owns the thing decides the gender, not the thing itself. Habe ich etwas vergessen? If you're a native German speaker and think I've forgotten something important about relative clauses with the genitive case, to say the word whose, please let me know in the comments. Bitte schreibt einen Kommentar. Also, please don't forget to click subscribe to receive all of my German lesson videos, language learning tips and updates. Otherwise, from me, it's Danke und auf Wiedersehen.